Welcome back, everybody. This is our MRS21 Fall 2021 test number 2 review, question number 5. And again, you find these videos helpful, please give them a like. Totally appreciate all that love you give to the channel. All right, especially if helpful, especially if it's helpful. All right, and make sure to watch it over again. Okay, try it once you watch the video. Try it out on your own. Practice is super important, though. So what are the values of x in the equation x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0? This is really just asking us to solve for x. Now we're looking at this and we say, can we factor, are there two numbers that multiply to 1 and in this case are going to, so terms multiply to -1 and add to 4, and the answer is no. So we got to use our quadratic formula here. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. And our a, b, and c value come from ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we're going to find our a value, our b value, and our c value. Well, the number multiplying x squared is just 1. The number multiplying x is 4. And our c value is going to be -1. And so all we're going to do now is plug in. Now be very careful because you want to put parentheses around all the numbers here. So negative parenthesis plus or minus the square root of parenthesis squared minus 4 times open parenthesis here, all over 2 times parenthesis. And so you can write out this way and then determine now when numbers go in. We know b is 4, so there's a 4 here and a 4 here. A is 1, so 1 here and 1 here, and C is -1. Okay, so we see here x is equal to -4 plus or minus. Now we got to figure out what number is under the radical. Well, 4 squared 16 minus 4 times 1 times -1 is -4. So 16 minus -4 is the same 16 plus 4 or 20. So we find out that the number on the radical is 20, all over 2. So now what happens is we have to simplify square root of 20. Okay, so square root of 20 in this case can be written as a product of two square roots, right? Where one of them is the biggest perfect square divided into 20, and that would be 4. All right, and it's 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, square root of 4 times square root of 5 is 20. Square root of 20 in this case. Now, the square root of 4 just becomes 2 times the square root of 5, and that's what we replace with our value here. So x is equal to -4 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 all over 2. And we're almost done. Because the 2 in the denominator divides into the -4 and the 2 for the 2 square root of 5, we can simplify this. Therefore, x is equal to -2 plus or minus the square root of 5. All we did was divide, in this case, the 2 into the -4 and into the +2. Okay, numbers on the outside, divide numbers on the outside. No mixing in this case. So I'm not going to have 5 halves on my radicand. All right, and this is totally acceptable answer because the plus or minus represents two different answers for our roots. Okay. All right, everybody. That's it. Quadratic formula. Get to know your quadratic formula and the practice with it. Try to go over some of the older homework questions too that we went over, just to get a feel of this, because you'll definitely need to know quadratic formula and, of course, the application here. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. I'd be very helpful and grateful for you guys doing that and all. And then, I'll just turn on notifications if you are subscribed, so that you know when new videos are added to the channel now, right? Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it if you're here to the end. Okay, and again, I will see you in the next video. Please practice these questions. And you'll see in this case the video, each video will probably get a little longer each time because it's more work getting involved. So, okay. All right, take care, everyone. Be safe.